What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Syke Entertainment, where today is Saturday, March 13th. We are actually getting ready to take a race car, the V1 late model, tomorrow to my buddy's Nate's shop to get some last minute little touches on it. Hopefully get it ready for the weekend of the 27th. The goal is to go to Lawrenceburg Speedway, the 27th, Lawrenceburg Speedway, for open practice night to kind of test and feel the car. So right now I'm gonna get this trailer ready, just to get everything inside, get it organized, get stuff going, so that tomorrow all we have to do is throw the car on and head down to Nate's.
I didn't have my desk all of a sudden.
Oh, I shook, huh?
I raised my desk up.
You didn't raise your desk up, Fred.
Yeah, I did.
No, I didn't.
Vibration of it.
I think you're exaggerating a little bit. I think you're exaggerating a little
No,
bit.
I ain't. It did actually. Vibrate my desk.
Earthquake! We're in Ohio, Fred.
And that boys were at it again.
Dang Jones boys.
Didn't call me out to help.
I'll call you next time, Fred. Don't worry about that. Oh, you got that ball right in the way. Oh.
Dang it,
I'm
Bob.
making a mess, bud.
Dang it. Want me to wrench it?
Oops, sorry.
Don't fight. Be better if that wasn't annoying. I don't even know what that is.
It's a bracket for the spring for your return for your throttle. You got to put the spring on that. You did. See this?
Yeah.
There's a spring. It goes from here to here. If you don't have that bad boy, well, I mean, you got a rod. I get that, but
You're teaching me things.
no, I'm just trying to keep you from dying.
Sounds like a great plan.
I think Cade would appreciate that too. He gets older, I'm gonna kick him in the dick.
such thing as happily ever after. Love ended in disaster, disaster. But now I'm free. You show me that I don't need somebody. I only need myself, now it's just me. I'm gonna be free, be free. I'm free. You show me that I don't need somebody. I only need myself, now it's just me. I'm gonna be free, be free. Free. I'm gonna be
And carburetor rebuild is done. My GoPro decided to want to die in the middle of filming, but we have the rebuild done, ready to put back on the car. It is Wednesday, working on the Z1 late model, and man, every day you learn something. Today we were working on the rear end for the late model, trying to get it straightened out, because what we learned was that the fifth coil right over there was not where it was supposed to be. That chain is supposed to be tight, and the other day it was loose, and come to find out the pull bar is actually what was causing all of our problem. And come to find out some more, we are missing a spring and some other stuff for that, so we're going to try to get this rear end fixed. These videos are going to be kind of jumping from day to day. When I work on the late model, we typically work little pieces at a time, whatever we have parts for or money for or time for. I'll kind of video a little bit, work on it a little bit, and then stop another day, work on it, video it a little bit. So as you're seeing in these videos, a lot of this stuff's going to be kind of choppy, but right now we are working on the rear end. It is Friday, and we are working on the rear end today, getting it finished up, setting the lay down bar and the pull bar. I'm going to get that done, and also install our new race quip belts, certified for June 2023. Alright, so we got the rear end done so far, for the most part. We got the pull bar and the lay down bar, hopefully in the position they need to be. Now, we are going to take off these old straps right here and put on our race quip new belts. There's got two old ones out. Now, two new ones are laying there. Put those ones in. Now, got the two top ones off. So the two top ones off, the bottoms are off. And the new ones are pretty much ready We gotta get the bolts on those ones. You can kind of see it between there. We get the top ones in, get those strapped in. Good morning. Good morning. It's Saturday morning. We were supposed to go to Lawrenceburg this morning for open practice, but they canceled due to the rain. So today we're going to finish up the seat belts in the Z1 late model. Should be pretty much tightening everything up. There's one. Don't crucify me if it's not close. That's about as tight as I can get it. But following the instructions, it's about as good as I can do. I would do the second one right over there. Saved you guys the trouble of watching me put the second one in. And now I got the 2 shoulder straps. We got the 2 lap straps. Now we just need to get to the last strap on the bottom down there, which is, I don't know where it went. Oh, there it is. There. The last strap. Gotta put that one on. Got the laps. The other strap secured, and there you go. That's pretty much what we're gonna do today, is tidy up that. Right now I just want to get this video posted because I ain't posted in a long time. And again, I appreciate you guys for staying tuned. The track, again, Lawrenceburg Speedway was canceled today for open practice, so we're gonna try, looking forward to the next time we can get the late model out, because before I get it out on a racetrack, I would like to get it out for practice to test and tune, you know, and just feel it out, make sure everything's right before I go out there, hammer down on, you know, hot laps, a heat race, and a feature, and may not even make it to the heat laps, or not hot laps, but heat races, and something just break. So we're gonna leave it off there. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more content. Stay tuned for more videos of the Z1 race car. I appreciate all your guys' support. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime that I post a video. Other than that, again, thank you, and have a great weekend.